Hey everyone, this is Nathan with Sling'N'Steel Custom Smokers. Today we are looking at the Beast cabinet style model. This is a 36 by 84 inch chamber. Comes with the storage basket on the front. This particular one has the optional dry storage lid on it. Just a massive reverse flow cabinet smoker. Fully loaded will hold about 90 pork butts at one time. 6 removable trays. Like I said, this is a reverse flow smoker. Comes with a 5-tray warming box and live smoke option on the inside. Insulated firebox. Then on the back side of the unit comes standard with the LP tank holder, fryer stand, and 60,000 BTU burner. Guys, if you got questions about this unit, you can reach me, Nathan, at 270-302-5579. We offer nationwide shipping, financing on all the products that we sell. Check us out at slingandsteelcustomsmokers.com. Thank you.